the fuck cooked that up? God damn. We can be having some of the most unique arrangements of instruments and beats that I done ever heard for sure. And then it's just such a contrast with his voice because it's like, that's how he's singing, and then just a crazy ass beat behind him.